Okay, so the purpose of this video is to demonstrate the sound or lack of ability to hear, in my case, the secondary air pump system in the car. So I've got the bonnet cover open. I'm going to proceed now to go in the car and start the engine. Okay, so when I insert the key and go to auxiliary, I do hear a buzz sound that I believe is the F1 pump. So I'll do that. You can hear the sound. You can also see the pump light flashing, but it'll prime faster than the sound goes away. You can still hear the buzz sound. I'll just wait for that to end. Okay, so that sound is off. I will start or press my fob to disable the immobilizer, and I will start the car. Okay, now my car has no muffler or silencer, only a custom pipe arrangement, OEM headers and OEM caps.